Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for watching, and if you're a subscriber, thanks for staying solid. So today we're taking out this hair because I've had it for about 7 weeks. I personally think it looks good still because this hairstyle, it's like a kinky twist, so it still kind of looks natural, you know. It looks like, I don't know, it looks kind of natural, it looks cute to me. So but if you look closer, like a little bit closer, it's been here a while and it's time for a new hairstyle. So if you want to see how I take out this hairstyle after, you know, a couple weeks of having it, keep watching. Oh my gosh. I think because of the gel, it's like not letting me take this out. Do y'all see that? It's like, let me take it out. Oh, I'm trying to, oh, okay. I feel the looseness. Okay. That was hard. That was hard. This is what it looks like. That looks matted up. But y'all see the growth though? But still, it looks matted up. Cause I did twists before. I'm not gonna like take it out or nothing, cause I'm scared my hair is gonna, like, this whole piece gonna come out. So I'm not gonna do that. Ooh. But y'all see that though? But I'm gonna leave this alone for real. I gotta cut this. It's taking too long. It's actually taking really much too long. I be thinking my hair is so long and it's not, but you don't know, things can happen. Miracles can happen. Oh. This is cute though. See, I'm gonna do this hairstyle again too. I'm gonna do these kinky twists again. This is such a great protective style. Look at this. And the way I was moisturizing my hair with it.
I do not wish to see a sip. Just take a husband before that happens.
Hey y'all, so this is actually the next day. I fell asleep because I was doing it for, it was going about like five hours, I think. And I think it was taking me long because I braided at the beginning and I did them really small. So it's 8:30 a.m. and I have to go to a strawberry farm, leaving at 11, I think. So I gotta like make something shake with this. So what I'm gonna do is use this as I am water, so it could, like, you know, moisturize my hair since it's dry. And then I'm going to put the deep conditioner in so it can get, like, it can get all the dirt part where I had like the gel and everything, all that stuff. So if you can see here, I'm using the rosemary oil strengthening leave-in conditioner, and I love anything Camille Rose. This is Camille Rose, so I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. And yeah, let's get to it. You play well? Okay.
I'm afraid mine's easier.
It looks like it's gonna take me too long, so I'm just gonna plunge my hair with a bunch of water. So this is my hair wet. I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner now since it's fully wet. I hope it still works the same. Just trying to detangle as gentle as possible on the front part of my edges because I literally do not have time. See, they don't play games when it comes to marriage. He literally, I think he just saw her like a week ago and he over here asking her mom for marriage. Guys now just be wasting time. Cause he's like, I like her, I want her. Period. That's what I'm saying. This is what I like. So I actually ended up putting this Aussie conditioner on top of the leave-in because I felt like it wasn't enough regarding like detangling my hair. So I'm just gonna go through this and detangle. Like I said, I'm on a time crunch, so if y'all have time to do all that, do it, but I do not. So I'm just gonna get it into my hair, some conditioner, make sure that part. It feels so nice to feel my hair. And with the edges most definitely like here. I'm not playing with those. Now that I've put condition on my hair and did all this detangling, I'm gonna wash this out and then I'm gonna put the clay mask on. Okay y'all, since I washed everything out my hair, oh my gosh. Since I washed everything out my hair, I'm using this bentonite Health and Beauty Aztec Secret as well as this apple cider vinegar. And I'm going to use that to create a mask, and I'm going to use it in just a bowl and using a plastic spoon because you can't use metal because apparently that disrupts like the toxins that they have. Well, I don't know. They just say you can't use metal. That's what I'm gonna tell y'all. That's literally what I'm gonna tell y'all. It just says that don't use a metal spoon. So I put this amount. If you want to add more later, if this is not enough, you can. That's what I usually do. And it starts fizzing like this when you add the apple cider. Can y'all see it? I don't feel like moving the camera too much today because, like, you see it? It's like, ooh. I just don't feel like moving the camera today because I gotta do this quick. So this is the only angle y'all gonna get of me doing this. But if it gets too like frumpy, you gotta like make it smoother so it's like a smooth consistency when you put it throughout your hair. It's kind of messy. That's why I'm not moving too much because this is like, it's 9:10. I told y'all I got places to be. So, ooh. This is good for your skin too. I also put this on my skin because it just feels cleaner. So this is the consistency that I like it. You can see it's like, it's still thick but smooth. Still thick but ooh! Ooh! After a while, it like puffs up. That's how I know it's ready. Oh, it went straight to my ear. That looks scary, but this is it. And then once my face dries with it, like gets hard, I'm gonna wash this out with it because that's how I can tell like it needs to be taken out. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. Washed it, so I'm gonna take it off and show y'all the reveal. So it's definitely super clean, super fresh. It looks definitely, you know, as you can see, look. So it looks way cleaner than it was looking. Like, it was looking bad. With that being said, I'm gonna blow dry it because, yeah, I'm gonna blow dry it. It's 10 a.m. now. We should be leaving around 11, so I feel like I should be finished blow drying around that time. gonna take it out now. Strawberry Farm's closed because a lot of people, so we're rushing for no reason anyways. That's so funny, but it's okay. At least my hair is done, low-key, because I'm gonna leave it like this for a while so my hair could breathe. Well, let me see what it looks like first before I decide if I'm gonna leave it out like this. I'm gonna wait and then I'm gonna take these out the braids. So I just laid on this, which should look pretty good. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. You can see it grew a little bit. Like I said, I've been using the hair, skin, and nail vitamins, and I've just been leaving my hair alone. And I'm gonna do another hairstyle. I'm gonna leave my hair alone for another 2 months until my birthday. Yeah. So this is the final look. You like it? You like it? You like it? I like it. But if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.